Everybody breath is in the air. Everybody breath in the air. I got to get out of there. What the hell, bruh? What? Ugh. What's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another video.
Take the exit, then keep left. Merge
You just gonna mess up my whole intro? Okay, y'all, so right about now I am last minute Christmas shopping, but I just decided let me cut on my camera and give y'all an update on what's going on with the house, with me. Let's check in. Basically, I need to check in with y'all. I miss y'all. Girl, I'm going the wrong dang on freaking way. Oh my gosh, I'm the only person I know that can have navigation and still go the dang on wrong way, bro. Like, what tip? But let me just go ahead and just tell y'all what's going on with the house right now and what I've been stressing about lately. I'm not really stressing. I'm never gonna put that in the atmosphere. I'm not stressing. I'm definitely blessed, but it's a lot going on that I want to update y'all about. We are closing on the house January 3rd. It got pushed back once again. We were supposed to be closing on the house right now. Like I'm supposed to be having a whole Christmas party tomorrow, but no. We basically had to get all our paperwork together, which we did with our mortgage lender, and we got all our ducks in a row. We got every information we needed to give them. We got our homeowners insurance, everything. So on our end, we have all our paperwork and everything. Now on a builder's end, the house is not done, so they're still having to do the siding, which they're going to start next week, and we're supposed to do our walkthrough on the 30th, and we're supposed to be closing and moved in January the 3rd. So hopefully that still pans out, because y'all, I've already been telling y'all we done had about 20 closing dates. When you get to building a house or like about to buy a house, something like that, you're gonna have a couple of closing dates. It's ridiculous because the builder just gonna take their precious old sweet time. But anyway, so we got all our ducks in a row, you know, for the closing or whatever, and the builder's not done, so we need an extension with the mortgage lender. So he gave us a free week extension, which was cool. But now, since we're not closing and moving into January 3rd, we had to get another extension. So now the builder, not the builder, the lender is saying that we have to pay $48 a week on the extension for the mortgage. So basically, we are gonna have to pay $48 extra until the house is completely finished and built, and we're, you know, doing the closing and walkthrough. So it's ridiculous. So basically, he said you can pay $700 until your closing date is, you know, here, or you can pay $48 a day. So we was like, we'll go ahead and do the $700 for extension for 30 days because we don't know when the house is, well, we gonna know when the house is gonna be done. The house better be done January 3rd, and that's on period, because we've been waiting for too long. But anyways, so we went ahead and did the $700 extension, for which sucks, but it is what it is. I reached out to the builder. They said they're not liable for any late materials, any late closing, none of that. We had to eat that bill basically, which is ridiculous. We've been having to be liable for everything that they doing slow. Like, y'all moving slow, building a house slow, but we paying extra for it. Like, it just don't make no type of sense, girl. But anyway, so that's going on right now. So they said they're supposed to be doing the siding on the, let me go to my calendar right now so I can tell y'all exact dates. They're supposed to be doing the siding on the 27th. We're supposed to be doing supposedly the walkthrough inspection on the 30th, and we're supposed to be moving in, doing a close on January 3rd. So hopefully that just goes in our favor. I'm just praying that that works out, because I'm tired of getting multiple closing dates. At this point, girl, I'm finna move in how it is. The heck, they take it all day. So yeah, that is the update on the house. It's a little bit annoying, but you know, it is what it is. That's life. Can't stress about it. Just find a solution and keep moving forward. So right about now, y'all, I'm about to go and get my booster shot, which really sucks because I'm just like, if I can still get it, but whatever. I'm going to get the shot right now, and then after that, we're gonna go and hit some stores. Let's go ahead and get the day started. Got back in here from getting my booster shot. The crap freaking hurted. My arm's hurting right now. So let's go ahead and figure out our next stop really quick. Where is my cellular device? Bro, don't tell me I left my phone at home. Oh, it's right here. I had it earlier. Y'all could have told me that. All right, so where we gotta go? So let's go ahead and hit up Nordstrom really quick and 12 Oaks Mall, because I need to get I need to get Jackie like a cologne set or whatever. Jackie loves cologne. He like basically collects cologne. So I'm about to go and get him some cologne after I put my dang on seatbelt on. This car always calling me out. Hey. All right. So now I'm about to go get that. And what else I gotta get on the list? I need to get my niece Amari some toys. So we need to go to like Target or Walmart or something, because like is Toys R Us closed? Toys R Us got to be closed, child. I ain't seen the Toys R Us in I don't know how long. I think that's about it, y'all. Like, for real, I actually hate Christmas shopping because I end up just going in the store and getting myself stuff. So I really don't want to be all up in these stores. And plus, the air, breathing all the everybody breath is in the air. Everybody breath in the air. I got to get out of there. So I'm going to probably do like money in the car for majority of the rest of the family. So yeah, let me get back into talking about the house really quick. So another little tippy tip I wanted to give y'all is if you are like having problems with getting your closing costs, like your money together for your closing costs, or if you just want to ask your builder, you can ask them about seller's concession. They can help you out with your closing costs. Like they will send a check, I guess, over to the lender or whatever. So just ask for seller's concession, ask your builder about that, and then they will put like some of your closing costs into your mortgage so you don't have to pay it. Just put on some jams real quick and quit. Let's see what we can ride to. Young Thug bubbly. I got that bubbly. I got that bubbly. I got that bubbly. Y'all, I'm so bad with directions. Seriously. Oh my gosh. I can go to the same place 20 times and still not. Look at this car behind me. Girl, you better relax. I'm going. Girl, if y'all can see this car behind me. Okay, I'm gonna let this. Child, this freaking was on my tail, almost ran the back of my car. I'm just trying to listen to my tunes, and she riding around like her transmission not about to blow, putting around me, and mad. Girl, bye. We turn my tunes on now.
25 on the dashboard, riding the Porsche I can talk before. I ain't begging when I tell her please. Be a little thug on fleek. Stay in your feelings, you never my boy.
Alright, y'all won't believe what I just did. I just came to the wrong dang on Nordstrom. I'm at freaking Nordstrom in Troy, and I could have came out here and got my dang on wax. I thought I was not gonna come to Troy. I thought I was gonna go to 12 Oaks and Novi. But anyways, we about to run in here since I'm already here. Girl, this is normal Nique stuff. Always just not paying attention to what I'm putting in the GPA. Let's put this mask on and get in here. I'm feeling these glasses right here. What are they? They Fendi. They super cute. They got yellow on the side. I'm gonna try them on and see. Girl, all this stuff on, I can't even see for real. They look cute. I might get these. Bruh, okay, I'm back in the car, y'all. I done seen what I had to see. Them lines is dumb long. Like, I had stuff in my hand, and child, I put it back. I couldn't do it. That line was just too long. I'm about to check to see about this other Nordstrom really quick, and then I'm about to go to 12 Oaks, and then I am done. One thing I do have to do, though, is get Mari her toys, because she is a kid. But other than that, girl, I can't. I'm out of here. Like, what? We about to go to 12 Oaks Mall real quick. So let's see what they got. Hopefully, they line's not long. They getting longer as much as I'm running my mouth. So let me get off this camera. I got Jackie cologne though, so we done in this store. Y'all, do people even hold the door anymore? Like, this like the third time somebody that almost slammed the door on my dang on face. Gosh, I always hold the door for people. I don't understand why people don't hold the door. Anyway, that's besides the point. I got Jackie's cologne. Girl, he don't need no more. Like, for real though, he collect cologne at this point. Child, why did my dang on nail just pop off? Today is not my day. I need to go home. I need to go home. God damn, bruh. What? Ugh. All right, anyway, let me show y'all the dang on cologne while I'm right here. It's really cute, smells good. It retail for $129 value. So yeah, This will be one of his little Christmas gifts. I got him some AirPods. I already got my mama some Gucci glasses. I already got my dad some Gucci glasses. They both needed new eyewear. What else do I have to get? I need to go get Mari's toys. And I gotta get my Auntie Tamika some soup and some like stuff for her cold or whatever. She has a cold. So yeah, I have to go and get her some stuff from Walmart as well. So let's go ahead. Let me start running my mouth. We on the other side of town, bruh. Like, ugh. All right, y'all, we made it into Walmart and I'm already getting distracted by this. It's so cute, but I already got something like that. Bruh, look how empty this is. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is so bare, well, it should be. It's Christmas Day, well, Christmas Eve, so that makes sense. I'm trying to figure out what else I can get Mari real quick, but I don't know yet. Let's see. We need to get her just one more little small thing. All right, y'all, so I'm pretty much done now. I got all the stuff that I need. I got the stuff I need from my aunt, and I got this. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all in a second because like everybody down every aisle, bro. I can't even talk to y'all in the store. But I got this cute little thing we gonna use for our jungle juice for Christmas. And I got this cute little bath set and this cute little grill set for Mari. Anyway, y'all, some little bagels, but let's ring up and get out of here. Just left out of Walmart. It's just so hectic. I will never in my freaking life go Christmas shopping again the week of Christmas. I say that every year, but I'm for real next time. Just about to go ahead and start driving and get out of this parking lot. Everybody behind me, so let me wait if I run somebody over. I'm going to be doing a Christmas giveaway. I'll have all the instructions at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Rules is you have to be subscribed and you have to like all my videos and you have to send me $1 million. Like, no, I'm just playing, but the rules is you have to be subscribed, period. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? You just watching for no, like, what? Anyway, I'm almost at my auntie house right now, and then we're gonna go home after that. Girl, why this car is like so slow? Like, you, I hope everything is going great for you in your life, and if it's not, just make sure you stay positive. I don't know where that came from, but I guess I just needed to say it. Really don't have much else planned for today, y'all. We already got the little Christmas shopping out of the way. We talked about some home updates, but other than that, I don't really have much else to talk about. I'm not about to be on this camera wasting nobody else's time. So anyways, y'all, stay tuned for the final walkthrough and an empty house tour. Thank y'all so much for always hanging with me. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.